Introduction to Balancing Chemical Equations.
Balancing chemical equations is a key skill in chemistry. It ensures that the number of atoms for each element is the same on both sides of an equation. This process reflects the law of conservation of mass, which states that matter cannot be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. Let's explore the step-by-step method for balancing any chemical equation.
Step 1. Write the unbalanced equation.
Begin by writing the unbalanced chemical equation that shows the reactants and products. List all the chemical formulas involved. At this stage, don't worry about the number of atoms. Focus on accurately representing the substances taking part in the reaction.
Step 2. Count atoms of each element.
Count the number of atoms of each element on both the reactant and product sides. Write these counts down. This accounting helps you identify which elements are unbalanced and how many atoms need adjustment to achieve balance.
Step 3. Use coefficients to balance.
Adjust the equation by adding coefficients, whole numbers placed in front of formulas. Change these coefficients to ensure the number of atoms for each element matches on both sides. Never change subscripts within formulas, as that alters the chemical substances themselves.
Step 4. Check your work.
After adjusting coefficients, recount all atoms for every element to make sure the equation is balanced. If something doesn't match, repeat the balancing process as needed. A correctly balanced equation confirms the law of conservation of mass is observed.
Tips for successful balancing.
Start by balancing elements that appear only once on each side and save hydrogen and oxygen for last, as they often appear in multiple compounds. Practice helps. Balancing equations gets easier with experience, and it builds a strong foundation for understanding chemical reactions.